So you want to start investing, but you see this 5 free stocks and thinking, that sounds like a good way to get started, and you're absolutely right. And on that note, I applaud you for wanting to make good money management decisions. I respect you that you want to take control of your finances and build a financial future of freedom for yourself. That is absolutely awesome. Now, I don't know how necessarily new you are to investing, but really quickly, I'll assume that you're brand new and you don't know anything. So the first thing you will actually need to start investing is an online broker or an app. Now, online broker and app, those are one and the same. Sometimes they can be used interchangeably, but just realize that that's what you need. Now, I'm not going to go into why you need it, how they work, but if you are interested, if you are that new, then the video here that you see on the screen, I'll put a link down to in the description box. But like I said, I assume some of you maybe already know about the broker, then you know that you need one. But what you're here in this video for is, okay, how do I get these 5 free stocks? So let's talk about that. But again, if you're brand new and you don't even know what a broker is, I'd say first watch this video here that I'll link down below. And then this video will make that much more sense. So in order to get the 5 free stocks, you'll need to click on a link that's down below in the description box. That is an affiliate link, just to be fully transparent. So if you click on it, I will also get something, but you're going to be getting 5 free stocks. So just one, like I said, for full transparency's sake. But the first thing that you're going to need to do is, like I said, click on that link, and then this is what you're going to see. I should also note that if you're watching this video, 5 years from now, who knows what the promotion will be. Maybe they're not running promotions anymore. But at the time of this recording, it's 5 free stocks. But Webull, who is the app, is always running different promotions. But right now, 5 free stocks, which is pretty crazy. So how does it all work? Very straightforward. So here's how you get your free stocks. And very quickly, open an account, deposit any amount of money, and then you get 5 free stocks. But here's the cool part. And now let me be very clear. I'm not saying that you should depend on this actually happening, but from a risk versus reward standpoint, I mean, what do you got to lose? Like I said, worst case, it doesn't happen, but you still have at least some free stocks in your portfolio. But right here, you can see that open an account with Webull to get your 2 free stocks, each valued up to $300. Deposit any amount to receive 3 free stocks, each valued up to $3,000. So quick math there. For just opening up an account, you're going to get potentially $600, right? Because 2 and $300, that's $600. And then when you deposit the money, you're going to get another 3 stocks with value up to $3,000. So 3 times 3,000 is $9,000. Meaning, best case scenario, once again, not probable scenario, but best case scenario, you're getting $9,600 to start off your investing journey. Once again, probably not going to happen, but let's say you just get a little bit of that. Let's say that the 5 stocks only come out to $100. That's still $100 of free money that you have now in your portfolio. And of course, remember with a stock, sure, you might get a stock that's, worth, and I'm just making this up, $10, but who knows? Maybe 10 years from now, that stock is now worth $100. Maybe it's not, but you don't know. But again, from a risk reward standpoint, who really cares? Because it was risk free to you to begin with, because it was a free stock. So that's why I would argue, if you are looking to get started investing, why not get started with 5 free stocks, and you have no risk, because even if they all go to zero, well, whatever, because that wasn't your money to begin with. But if they go up, well, then you could be looking at a very nice situation. So that's, what I would argue is a very smart way to get started in your investing journey. Maybe you've already started a little bit, but you just kind of like this deal. So you're like, well, I'd like to just pick up another 5 free stocks. Well, here you go. You could just start up an account here, have a couple different investing accounts. And with this one, you have those 5 free stocks. That'll get you started in this account. So like I said, just wanted to make you aware of it. Again, click that link down below. If there are any other questions or anything like that, by all means, please leave those out in the comment section. I'd be happy to try to help you out in any regard to this. And like I said, if you're still feeling a little overwhelmed, like, okay, I kind of know what a broker is, just seriously go back, watch that video that I talked about at the very beginning of this video. Or like I said, feel free to ask me any sort of questions down below. But again, I applaud you. I respect you for wanting to get started here in your investing journey, for taking money matters in your own hands, and to build that personal freedom and, accomplish that, freedom, however you define that. But welcome to the world of investing, and hopefully you get started here with these 5 free stocks. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.